how to change the size of a material texture in Unreal Engine 5. In our scene, we have this material. This material is downloaded from the fab. Here, I have downloaded this material before, and now I put this material to this plan and I open it, and here I change the tiling's value and change this number, and you can see our plan's texture is changed. This is the first example, and sometimes we need to create material by ourselves. And here I create material and adjust the texture into here, and just another texture into here, and connect it normal and to base color. And next I put this material to this plan, and next I add texture coordinate. Here I connect this, connect UVs. Yeah, here you can see you can change this value, apply. Yeah, you can see this second plan has changed. Yeah, this is the two examples in our class. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.